What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here once again, and in this video, I'm going to be diving deep into a Podia review. I'm going to show you what the platform is and how it differs from other online course platforms. I'm going to go through the features, the add-ons and integrations, the ease of use, the pricing, the help and support, and outline a few pros and cons of the platform. And if at the end of everything, you really like what Podia has to offer, you can get access to the platform and start a 14-day free trial by clicking the links down below. Now, this is just one of the many objective reviews I've done on this channel, so if you're interested in finding the best online business software and even starting your own online business, then make sure you subscribe to the channel for training and high quality reviews. And don't forget to like this video. Let's dive into the Podia review. Now, Podia is a little different than other online course platforms. Of course, it allows you to host and sell your online course, but it's also focused on allowing you to run webinars, market to your users or your website visitors, build fully fledged websites with entire blogs, and sell digital downloads. So instead of just being an online course platform, it's actually a platform that'll help you run your business and get paid easily and quickly. Now let's dive into some of those features to show you what Podia is bringing to the table. Now Podia is, I think, the only online course platform that has a fully integrated live chat. So your users, your customers can actually chat with you live and you can reply to them. You don't have to integrate with any third-party tools. It also has a fully fledged website and blog. Most course platforms do provide some kind of website, but it's not fully fledged, and frankly, you can't do much with them, but Podia allows you to build a website and a blog. They even have a couple templates. Now let me show you an example of one of these Podia websites. So it's not bad, maybe not the best website in the world. That is more a reflection of the creator of the website as opposed to what Podia allows you to do. So it's a decent website, and I'm sure that this website produces some kind of conversions because it's an example that Podia itself cites. So in addition to the website, you can create dedicated sales pages to, boost those conversions. One thing that really sets Podia apart is that it has integrated email marketing. That is, instead of having to go out and get a different email marketing service, Podia actually handles it. So you can create drip campaigns, newsletters, individualized or personalized emails to your list. Now, it's not enough to replace something like ActiveCampaign or Keep, but it's definitely strong enough if you're just getting started, just starting to build your email list. It definitely gives you those features you need to engage and sell your courses. Similar to Teachable and Thinkific, Podia has affiliate management. And I've said this before and I'll continue to say this. Affiliates can be one of the most powerful marketing channels out there. Once you get some good affiliates, some super affiliates, they'll be referring hundreds of customers to you every single month. And then in addition to the affiliate marketing, you have upsells, cross-sells, and downsells, and these can be very powerful. As I mentioned before, Podia doesn't only host course, it hosts other types of digital products. So maybe you have like an ebook that you're selling. You can host that on Podia, sell it, and then upsell someone into a related course. Or maybe they don't want a course, you can cross-sell them into a different type of digital product. So it becomes really powerful when you have multiple products that all complement each other. And then of course, Podia isn't limiting you based on your students or your bandwidth or the number of products. All of that is unlimited. So once you sign up and register, you can create to your heart's content. You can grow as large and as quickly as you like without worrying about running up against some invisible limit. And I like Podia because it supports different types of pricing. You have tiered pricing and you have subscription pricing. So you can charge someone like $49 a month for access to a membership site. Or you can choose to charge $199, $399, and $599 for your course. Maybe you have different content in every tier or different levels of access to you and your team. Whatever, it's your choice because Podia gives you the tools to do it. And then for payment processing, Podia doesn't actually get involved. They have integrations with Stripe and PayPal, so they don't take any transaction fees. You just deal with Stripe, but of course Stripe and PayPal take transaction fees, 2.9% plus 30 cents for each transaction. So 3% of your money basically goes to Stripe or PayPal. Your deposits are available really quickly, and Podia doesn't take an additional cut of that. Teachable will actually take 5% on the basic plan, but if you upgrade to like the Pro plan, 0% transaction fees. But they don't require you to actually integrate with Stripe or PayPal. Teachable actually processes your payments for you. So it just depends, you gotta weigh your pros and cons. But I have no problem with the way Podia does it. Thinkific also does it in a similar manner. And then finally, you can actually drip feed course content. One of the problems with online courses is that people get overwhelmed. So you can drip feed content in a way that will engage your users, encourage them to actually finish. Now let's take a look at Podia's integrations and add-ons. What I like about Podia is that they don't actually have any add-ons. Everything you need from Podia is within one of their pricing plans. If you don't have access to it via a pricing plan, then Podia doesn't have that feature. It's simple as that. Even though Podia does email marketing, they understand that not everybody will want to use their email marketing tool. You can integrate with most of the email marketing services out there, or most of the popular ones out there. And of course, Stripe, PayPal integrations, and then the Facebook, Pinterest, Google Ads, Pixels, and then Zapier. Zapier is a really useful tool. It's an integrator. It's a connector. So maybe you want to use lead pages, or maybe you want to use ActiveCampaign, or maybe you want to use Keep, and Podia doesn't have a direct integration. You can actually connect to Zapier, and then through that Zapier integration, you'll be able to link to Keep or ActiveCampaign or lead pages or whatever the case may be. Now let's jump on over and talk about the ease of use. What we're looking at here is the dashboard of Podia. This is what you see right when you sign up. This is how it looks. So you have two options here at the top: edit site or create. Now you can create posts, broadcast, email, campaign, coupons, products, pages, plans. And then at the top here, you have a whole bunch of different options. So it's very simple: products, membership, messaging, coupons, email, audience, affiliates, and sales. So these things are human readable, and you'll be able to make your way around the platform. It's really easy to create a product. So let me just play around with this create a product and show you kind of what it looks like. So right when this create a products dialog box opens up, you can create an online course, a digital download, a webinar, or you can bundle multiple products you've already created together. So I'm just going to go with online course, which is already selected. So once you get past the initial naming of your course and you click create course, it's time to start adding your content. This isn't as intuitive as some of the other online platforms because it's much more structured, and it starts you off with your own section. So let me see. All right. So I just really quickly created the structure of a 2-module course. This is what it looks like. At first glance, it may not be as intuitive as some of the other online course platforms out there, but you can pretty quickly learn it. And once you learn it, then you'll be able to make a course, as long as you have the content, of course, within just a few minutes, creating the structure and all that good stuff. So I give it a thumbs up for ease of use. Now, the most important part, let's look at the pricing. Podia is really unique. It only has 2 pricing plans: Mover and Shaker. Mover is $39 a month and Shaker is $79 a month. And Mover actually has most of the features. But with Shaker, you get memberships and then affiliate marketing. I always recommend you get any plan that has the affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing can be such a powerful way to generate new. I believe that their pricing plans are quite generous and really inexpensive, especially compared to some of the other online course platforms. The highest plan here is $79 a month, but the highest plan at Thinkific is $499 a month. Highest plan at Teachable is $299 a month. So one con, or one thing that I dislike about Podia, is that they don't process payments on your behalf. You have to use a third-party integration, and if you don't have access to those integrations, then you can't use Podia. Another thing is that though they allow you to design an entire website, the design options are kind of limited. So your site may end up looking like a cookie cutter site. What I suggest is that you integrate with a tool like Lead Pages or Unbounce or whatever the case may be, and build your pages like that, and then host your course on a subdomain. So your site can be as pretty as you want it to be, and you won't be limited by the design features of Podia. Let me take a moment to talk about customer support. Customer support for Podia is 7 days a week via live chat and email. Although it's not 24/7 support, they do a pretty good job of keeping on top of queries, and the support reps tend to be very knowledgeable. So that's it. That's what I have to say about Podia. In the end, I give Podia a thumbs up. It has tons of useful features, and the price is a steal. The user interface, though it might take some getting used to, it's still pretty easy to use, and they have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the bomb, guys. It can really be the difference between a course that really crushes it and one that takes a long time to get off the ground. If you're looking for an online course platform that also does webinars, digital downloads, and all of that good stuff, then Podia is where it's at. You can get started by clicking the link down below and starting your 14-day free trial. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like it, and I will see you in the next one. Daniel out.